Hey, I'm Dr. David Morris with Magnolia Medical, and we are doing something new. We're going to try to highlight people in our community that have businesses that focus on health, so that our patients can know where to go if they're trying to improve their health beyond what we can do for their clinic, for them in their clinic. So this is Krista with Fleet Feet. She has a location right up the street from the office. What's the address here?
It's 544 North Thompson Lane, right beside Carrabba's.
All right, so literally it's a quarter mile from our office. If you've been in our office and I said you need some heel lifts, I sent you to Krista. Okay, so now at Fleet Feet, she has another location, by the way, for anybody who sees us outside of here, another location in Mount Juliet. The address is
630 South Mount Juliet Road. We're right next to Bonfire, across the street from Starbucks.
Great. Now, the things that I noticed, I haven't been in her store in quite some time actually, but I send people up here all the time, and one of the things that they have at the store, they have foam rollers. So if we tell you you need to do a lot of foam rolling for your TFL or your glute or your IT band, they have foam rollers. You see they have like rollers for myofascial release. They got BioFreeze. If you have plantar fasciitis and you need to roll your foot out and you don't want to do it on a cold, hard Coca-Cola bottle, and a roller for that. Some topicals. But the thing that I wanted to talk about was the orthotics, because some people need better support. Actually, I think most people, you're going to walk on your feet your whole life, hopefully. And the shoes that you get at Dick's, at Foot Locker and things like that may be okay for walking around once in a while, but honestly, most people, especially if they're going to be athletic, they need much more support. Because we see those patients, you're those patients that come in with back pain, they come in with hip pain or knee pain, and they still want to be athletic, or they want to be mobile, they want to be active, and the shoes that they're wearing are not good enough, or the inserts in their shoes are not good enough. So what are the ones that you have that, what are these for?
So basically, we want to focus on carrying the best over-the-counter orthotic that we can find. And I'm a certified foot orthotist, so it really matters to me on what we kind of bring into the store. But we don't want to correct anything, we want to accommodate it. So our key goal is to just minimize stress that's coming on when your foot actually engages with ground. We carry a couple of brands, and you'll see these in your local podiatry offices, and we get referrals from them, as well as in the chiropractic setting. So SuperFeet has been in the industry quite a while. Once again, it's not to correct, it's just to accommodate. And where we see stress in the foot when we're doing an assessment in the store, it kind of allows us to pinpoint which insole we think is going to work better. But anytime we get a medical referral, we always kind of just let the medical practitioners guide us as to what they want, basically, for their patients.
Okay. So obviously, if you've been a patient in our office and we say go get orthotics, one of the things that we'll often tell you is say, look, if you met your deductible and you have very low copays and you have a podiatrist, go see them. But listen, if you have a $1,000 deductible or you have huge copays and we say go get some orthotics, you should come over and visit Fleet Feet. It's right here in the community, right here at Murfreesboro. And you know, we want to support our local community. They're all about health. They do contests. They do all kinds of things to promote running and activity. And obviously that's our goal, to get people out there living more. So if you need orthotics or heel lift or any of the other great athletic things that they have here, come talk to Krista and her staff. By the way, when we walked in the door, I had 3 people ask me if I could be helped. And that was before she even came out of the back. So they're very customer service oriented. I can tell you that she manages a good team here. So thanks for watching us, and come visit Fleet Feet.
Thank you.
All right, so we wanted to talk about one other thing that they do here at Fleet Feet that you wouldn't expect, because it says Fleet Feet on the wall and outside the door and on the building. But what she does, what she's found that she sees a lot of people for, women, is handling proper bra fitting, especially when they're being for athletic and sports. So if somebody's going to be a runner, somebody's going to try to be out there and being active, it's so important for posture for women to wear the right bra. You know, she's found, and we find in the clinic, that so many women that have they're heavier set up top, they need to wear the proper bra and you need to be fitted for it, or it can make their posture worse. So what do you do here that can help with that?
So basically, we do a bra fit, just like with our professional shoe fittings. We've incorporated professional bra fittings. So we realized that if you're not in the right compression, or if you don't encapsulate the breasts, that you can actually tear. And if you have tears under the breast ligaments, you really can't get those back without surgery. So our goal is to kind of prevent the inevitable and just give you a little bit more time and allow you to exercise freely and comfortably.
All right, so don't think they're just about feet. They're obviously about women's health. They're about health in general. So this is what we're about. Again, thanks for having us come out.
Thank you so much.